CrackU provide free mock for IBPS clerk exam. For that, you only need to Google search CrackU IBPS clerk free mocks. Then click on the first link and start the exam. After completing the test, you get a complete detailed analysis of your performance with percentile accuracy and attempt rate and detailed solution.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel CrackU RRB SSC Banking Exam. In today's video, we will be discussing profile and salary for IBPS clerk. That is, after you qualify the exam, you are allotted with the bank. So what will be the profile, that is job profile and salary. So let's start. First, let's see what is the participating list of bank. So these are the bank which are participating in this year exam. Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, Canara Bank, Central Bank of India, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, UCO Bank and Union Bank of India. After this, what is the salary? So the basic pay will be from 11,765 to 31,540. So what is this? This basic pay, that is 31,540, will be after increment, and this is your initial, that is if you join as a joiner, this will be your basic pay. So let's see what is the basic pay and other allowance like DNS allowance, house rent allowance, special allowance, travel allowance and other thing, and what is the in hand salary, that is gross salary you will be getting. So based on population, if a city which is having more than 45 lakh population and if a city is having less than 45 lakh population, so basic pay will be same, that is 11,765 in both the category. The only thing that will be changing in this category is house rent allowance. The house rent allowance in a city where the population is more than 45 lakh, there it will be 1176, that is 1176, whereas if in a city where the population is less than 45 lakh, then it will be 1058. So let's see, the DNS allowance will also be same, that is 5311 in both the cases. Special allowance will also be same, that is 911 in both the cases. Even the travel allowance, that is 425 in both the cases. The only thing that is changed is house rent here is 1176 in, that is in more than 45 lakh category, and in less than 45 lakh category the house rent allowance is 1058. This makes the gross total different, that is if you add sum of this, in area with more than 45 lakh population will be 19,588 and in less than 45 lakh population will be 19,470. So this is your gross in hand salary as a new joiner. So this is the salary structure for IBPS clerk. After this, let's see the job profile. So as already said, the in hand salary will vary from 19,588 to approx 42,000, that is after all the increments, and the pay scale is from 11,765 to 31,540. So what is pay scale and how is this given? So this says your first basic pay will be 11,765 and for 3 years, that is for first year, second year and third year, every year your increment will be 655. That is, in the first year your increment will be 655, after 2 years your increment will be 655 plus 655. This is this one which is coming, and in the third year it will be again adding up these two plus 655, and this is till 3 years up to your basic pay 13,730. This is up to your basic pay this, and after your basic pay reaches this, for next 3 years, that is for 4, 5 and 6, every year your increment will be of 815, 815, 815 up to your basic pay reaching 16,175. You can see here up to this. After that, for 3 years it will be 815 up to your basic pay reaches to 16,175, and after this amount, then for the next 4 year, that is after 6, you can say 7th year, 8th year, 9th year and 10th year, your per year, that is yearly increment will be of 980 rupees, that is 980 plus 980 plus 980 plus 980 every year up to your basic pay again reaches to 20,095 this. And after that, for next 7 years, that is after 10th year, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, for this 7 years, every year, that is yearly increment will be 1145, that is 1145 till 7 years up to your basic pay again reaches to 28,110. And after this, for the next 1 year, your increment will be of 2,120 and till your basic pay reaches to 30,230. And again after that, for the next year, that is 1 more year, your increment will be of 1,310 up to, this is up to 31,000. So the highest amount of basic pay you get is 31,540, and as a joiner you get 11,765. So that's why the range is from 11,765 to 31,540. And when will your basic pay be this? That is after, you can see here 3 plus 3 plus 4, 10 plus 7 is 17, 18 and 19. That is after 19 years your basic pay will be 31,540. So as according the basic pay increases, according to that all the other allowance will increase, as all the allowance are given on the basic pay, like what percent of basic pay, maybe 6.5% of basic pay or 8% of basic pay or 8.5% of basic pay. So if the basic pay increases, automatically the allowance will increase. Now let's see what is the job profile, job description. We must know, it is important. So the job profile will be verification of various document and proof submitted by customers, responsibility for bank cash, keys and other document, sanctioning of withdrawals by the customer, resolving issues, issue demand draft and cash receipt and etc., and resolving queries and other missed tasks. So this is, you need to interact direct to the customer. So this will be your job profile. And after this, let's see what is the career growth. We must know, if we are going in a field, what where shall I reach after 10 years? Like we all have this question, where will I be after 10 years? Where can I see myself after 10 years? So that is must, and for that's why we need to know career growth. So let's see. With every promotion, the IBPS clerk basic pay will increase. Obviously with promotion the basic pay increases, and so does the benefit provided to an employee, as all the allowances are directly related to basic pay. Their internal interview and written exams, an employee need to qualify for getting promotion. So to get promotion you need to face interview and written exam. After qualifying this, you will be promoted to next level. So what is the promotional hierarchy? If I say next level, so which level? So what the hierarchy is, first it will be officer, assistant manager, then manager, then senior manager. After that comes chief manager, and if you get promoted from chief manager, it will be assistant general manager, deputy general manager and then general manager. So this is the promotional hierarchy. After this, let's see what are the perks and allowances. So as we have already seen, there is DNS allowance, house rent allowance. Let's see what is that. DNS allowance, that is based on CPI. House rent allowance, that is 6 to 5% to 8, house rent allowance, that is 6.5% to 8.5% of your basic pay. Remember, it is of your basic pay. And why is this in range? As because it depends on the location that where you allotted. So this is 6.5 to 8.5% of your basic pay. After that comes medical allowance, that is 2000 annually, and travel allowance. So expenses on official tour, that is expenses on official tour and travel, will be reimbursed by the bank. So after this, let's see what are the other allowances. So allowance basically depends on bank. So bank provide allowances under various categories. These allowances vary from bank to bank and is their sole discretion. Like maybe some banks are providing other benefits and maybe some are not. So it is up to the bank and it varies from bank to bank. And some of the categories are like overtime allowance, special allowance, and other misc allowance like newspaper allowance, petrol allowance, and etc. So we have already discussed the job profile and salary. So now let's sum up this. The only thing is your in hand salary will be from 19,588 to 42,000. With this, hope you liked it, and if you did, please like, share and comment. And yes, we also provide all the previous year paper of IBPS exams. For that, you only need to Google search CrackU IBPS exam. We also provide free mock for IBPS clerk and IBPS PO. Just go and check our app, and even you can Google CrackU IBPS free mock to get the mock. Till then, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.